Hello everyone, I'm Damon Liu. I'm the sales manager of Zhejiang Dminingwell Supply Chain Management Company Limited. MW600-GL cold drain rig is developed by our company and according to our users' needs. This cold drain rig is widely used in energy and geology and coal and water wheel and other fields. Water-cooled system and air-cooled system is a structure for avoid heating under the high speed and high load condition. And this is our customized hydraulic type mud pump. The power head can adapt to high speed and high torque condition, and has strong power, while ensuring with compact structure.